On Saturday, Premier Martial Arts joined up with Energy Efficiency and Sustainability Consulting to kick off their Going Green initiative.
Our initiative to go green, we're hoping to turn into a year-long platform where we're really going to educate our student base to really be those green stewards. So we have a program here that's called Black Belt Excellence. It's about becoming a black belt on the inside, not necessarily the black belt, the color of the belt that you're wearing, but what's inside and how important that is.
James, a student at Premier Martial Arts, explains how Going Green reinforces their martial arts training.
When we're here, we're always learning about how to, better ourselves, like better our bodies, be a better person all around, with respect, self-discipline, all kinds of great, qualities to a human being that makes us better people. And by going green, it's also, connecting that and making us better people all together.
Regional President of ESS, Frank Collins, tells us how they helped out Premier Martial Arts.
A couple of months ago, they decided to take the plunge and to go green. And so we, as a consulting firm, we helped them puzzle through the different options. And in the end, we came up with a couple solutions, one of them being the lighting, the overhead lighting, which they converted to LED lighting.
Frank also expresses the importance of teaching kids to start early on.
At EES, really, we started this company with a profound desire to impact carbon footprint. That's really our passion, environmentalism. And so when we work with the kids, the thought is if we can engage them in sustainability and learning about recycling and being good stewards of Mother Earth.
There are businesses that are smaller, there are businesses in town that are also much larger, and if we can make that kind of impact, I would hope that there'd be a lot of other small businesses willing to make that impact as well.
If you or your business are interested in going green, visit www.itseasy.com/MetroWest. For Marlboro Midweek, I'm Matt Bisaccia.